day viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about dreamy wedding hairstyle ideas. Wedding hairstyles are so much fun to talk about. It gives off such a dreamy and real vibe. Or maybe some soft curls cascading down your shoulders for that elegant look. What do you think? Sparkly hair accessories are a fantastic idea. They can add such a glamorous touch to your wedding look. Imagine a subtle hairpin with some shimmering crystals or pearls, or even a delicate headband for a touch of sparkle. It can really elevate your hairstyle and make you feel like a princess on your special day. I recommend a delicate hair wine with some small crystal or pearls intertwined. It can be so versatile, you can wear it with an up to half up hairstyle or even with loose curls. The subtle sparkle will add a touch of elegance without overpowering your overall look. So viewers, let's end the video here. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.